Hey guys, so for this video, I'd like to turn your attention to this section right here in the yellow and show you what I would like you to do as far as marking off when you get things completed. So let's say I'm looking here at Tuesday for obviously the first day that we start classes. So there's a copy of your learning target right below the date. There's nothing that I want you to highlight there. Right here where it says important daily notes, there's nothing for you to highlight there either. Those are just important announcements, things like that. But the stuff that I do want you to start highlighting is right here and the things that you actually have to do. So on Tuesday, hopefully the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start off by clicking on these instructional videos that help to either give you the lesson or the notes for the activity for that day. So let's say that you've gone through and you watched video number 1. What I'm going to ask you to do is click on that cell. Don't go to the link. You've already watched that. And then you're going to go right up here to where it says fill color. And you can change the color of that cell to any color that you want. It doesn't matter as long as you've changed it. So that's going to operate as kind of a check mark to me and to you, because since I've got a copy of this through Google Classroom, I can check up on you. And let's say you get interrupted in the middle of your daily work, you can keep track of what you have to do. So now you go to watch video number 2, so you click on that link, you watch the video. Now you're going to go back to that cell. You're going to click on fill color. And you're going to color it a different color. So again, just go through, and as you complete each thing, you are going to, that indicates to me that you did it. So for example, where it says right here, classwork, number of points, that's really just information for you. You don't necessarily have to click on that. You don't have a quiz or a test, so there's nothing for you to click there. But if I go down a little bit further, I do notice down here at the bottom for every day there's an extra credit opportunity. So let's say you decide to do this extra credit opportunity, then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go through and you're going to highlight that cell as well. So anything on here where there's actual work for you to do, click on it, and that lets me know that you did it.